Here's a step-by-step guide for flossing. 1. Cut a piece of floss 18 to 24 inches long and wrap the ends around your index fingers, leaving 1 inch of floss in between. You can also create a secure loop by winding both ends of the floss 3 times, and then 2 more times on top of it. 2. Hold the floss tightly between your thumbs and index fingers, put both your fingers in your mouth, and gently guide the floss back and forth between your teeth. Be careful not to snap the floss onto your gums, as this can cause irritation. 3. Curve the floss in a C shape around the base of each tooth and slide it beneath the gum line. Use a fresh section of floss for each tooth, including the ones behind your back teeth. To keep your front teeth healthy, make a curve of the gum line and avoid damaging the gum attachments that look like mountain peaks. 4. After flossing, rinse your mouth with water or mouthwash to remove any debris and freshen your breath.